Today, take a look at the TripleAliners Ford Maverick console organizer. Okay. So this is the entire reason that I went with this organizer, is because of this brown material. This is actually a very nice soft brown leather. I have the brown seats and the brown interior of my car, so this is actually going to be able to match that much better than any other ones will. So we got a little square. We got a Longhorn. If you don't know, this is actually from the 1970s Ford Maverick. So this was the emblem they were using for that. They don't really have one for the new Maverick, so they're just reusing it because it's basically the same name. So you might as well. It says Maverick. It's got that little symbol there on the top. Got that same symbol there. And then we got a big one for bottom. Oh, that's cool. This actually comes with an extra set. So in the event that, well, I mean, I guess if you stain those, get them dirty, you'll have an entirely another set of black rubber ones. That's cool. That looks very nice. So we got a spot for coins, we got a spot for cards, and then we got this nice brown leather that will actually match the interior of my vehicle. So yeah, that is actually a perfect color match for this truck. That's nice, and it's going to make this console a whole lot more usable. Cool.